Here's the start of the story with vinyl plank. People are looking for products that are functional, durable, resist things like moisture for basement installations, and easy to install. This product, vinyl plank, hits all of those right on the button. When you tell people it just lays on the floor side by side, they don't believe you. And when you come back and show them back here, this has been here a year and a half, I've got vinyl plank inset into it, even cut on a bevel, that we've done here in the store. Just laying there on the floor, it's not glued or anything anywhere except around the outside perimeter, just to hold it in place. Anything else, it's got to lock together. You've got to do this and you've got to do that. If you've got a piece you can just lift out and put another piece in, it just doesn't get any easier than that. Probably 70 to 75% of the people who come in and pick up vinyl product, pick it up that day, they take it home and they install it themselves. It really is that simple. If you're going to install this floor yourself, the easiest, most effective way to do that is to loose lay the floor. If you want it to be glued, you can have an installer put it in for you. When an installer comes over, he's going to make sure your floor is prepped properly, and he's going to glue this entire floor down to the surface so that it is exactly the way he wants it to be. That's what installers do. It's got a great warranty. I mean, it's 25-year residential, 15-year commercial warranty. It has proven to be very durable and very reliable. Dogs' claws don't scratch it, things like that. It's been just a great product. Vinyl plank 5 years ago was 0% of my store sales. Vinyl plank today is 55% of my entire store. That's absolutely huge. We have people come in here to buy carpet. They walk out with vinyl plank. Or a sheet vinyl, they walk out with vinyl plank. I've had people come in looking for hardwood. They've left with vinyl plank. It's just too easy. I've been in this industry for 25 years and I have never seen its equal. It is hands down the very best product that I have ever come across in my life.